Hey everyone, welcome back once again at your favorite channel jobonline.com. Guys, today I'm again here with one more new job vacancy and that is in really very good position. If you are having a driving license and looking out for a driver job vacancy in Dubai, then this video is for you. Guys, in this video I have come with the vacancy of company driver, logistic driver, house driver, fire truck driver, contact bus driver, heavy vehicle driver in multiple location in Dubai. So in this video we are going to discuss about each and everything. How can you apply for these job vacancy? What is the qualification required? What are the salary expectations and everything which is needed for to join this vacancy? We are going to discuss all this thing. But before we get started, let me tell you this channel is all about providing you the job information about job vacancy across the globe level. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So guys, let's get started on my computer screen and have a look about driver job vacancy in Dubai. So guys, right on my computer screen, I have opened up the website and you can check out over here. There are multiple position job opening that is for the company driver, logistic driver, house driver, fire truck driver, contact bus driver, heavy vehicle driver, motorbike driver, buggy driver, cluster baggy, light vehicle driver in Dubai. So they have a multiple opening across the Dubai. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all these job vacancy which have been posted recently on this website, for which I have given you the direct link in the description box. Check right over here. First job vacancy is for the profile of company driver. Basically, the company name is Talala Ali Logistic, and the salary you can see right over here. It is nearly about 3,000 to 4,000 dinar. The employment type is full time, and the experience required to apply for this job vacancy is only for 2 years. For this job vacancy you must have an experience of 2 year, and also you should know English very well. Your English spoken should be very well to apply for this job vacancy. You should have a knowledge of Dubai roads and major landmarks and building. One more thing important for this job vacancy, you should have a valid driving license of UAE. Also for this job vacancy there is some personal requirement by the company which that is, driver should be honest, trustworthy, and reliable. Should have a friendly nature. You can check out over here. You can read this out, and if you are eligible for this job vacancy, just click on the button "Apply Now" button, which is of green color, and you just after clicking this, you will directly apply for this job vacancy. How to apply for this job vacancy or any other vacancy, I will let you know at the end of the video. Then C is for the post of logistic driver. You know the logistic driver. These work basically in food industry, as easy foods. Experience required for this job vacancy is 2 years. The job work is for the driver. What you need to do in this job vacancy, you need to work as a logistic driver. You need to work like a logistic person. You need to upload items, unload items. All this job vacancy, the minimum qualification required is 12th pass. If you have qualified your 12th pass from any university which is recognized by UAE, you can apply for this job vacancy. Also, you should have a knowledge of UAE roads and locations. Minimum 2 years of experience is required, and you should also have UAE driving license. You should also have a good communication skills in English or in local language. So guys, for applying for this job vacancy, I have also mentioned the link in the description box. You can click on this link and apply for this job vacancy also. The third vacancy is for the house driver. First two vacancy, first was the company driver, second was the logistic driver, and third was the driver. It is basically a personal driver. You need to work for one person. You need not to work for any company. For this job vacancy also there is a same requirement. Maximum age for this job vacancy is 3 years. For that too, the job vacancy there is no maximum age is required. This job vacancy there is an age foundation. Maximum age is 40 years. So guys, you can apply for this job vacancy. The salary for this job vacancy is 2,000 to 3,000 UAE. Job vacancy is nearly about 2,000 to 3,000 dinar. So guys, you can check accordingly. If you want to work as a house driver, you can apply for this job vacancy. If you want to work as a fire truck driver, you can apply for this job vacancy. If you want to work as a contract bus driver, this is a contract bus driver. It is not a permanent type of vacancy, but yes, it's a full-time vacancy in Al Futamin. The work is for the driver. The requirement is the same as in other vacancy, but you need to work as a contract bus driver. You need not to drive a car, you need not to drive a car, you need to drive a bus in this job vacancy. So if you know how to drive a bus, you can apply directly for this job vacancy. Again, next vacancy is for the heavy vehicle driver. This vacancy is also for the person having a, if you are having heavy driving license, then you can apply for this job vacancy. So guys, here are multiple job opening for the driver position. Guys, I have given you the information about the driver job vacancy which is opening in Dubai. If you want to apply for any of these job vacancy, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can click on the link below and you can apply directly for any type of driver job vacancy in Dubai. So if you are heavy driver, if you are a simple driver, simple car driver, you can apply for any of these job vacancy which are mentioned right over here. If you really like this video, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and bye bye.